Hello students, now we shall look at the effective interest rate. So as you know, these banks, non-banking finance corporations and private people, they lend money. Okay, so money lending is done, but the interest rate calculation is different. Like some people give interest rate on a daily interest rate. Some people give money on a weekly interest rate, especially the short-term loans and all, no? Hand loans and all. And these banks and all, they give on a quarterly basis, semi-annually basis, or annual basis. So now, what is the formula to calculate the effective interest rate? The formula is very simple. I, that is interest, EF is effective rate, is equal to 1 plus I divided by M raised to M, and this is minus 1, where I is the nominal interest rate in the equation and M is the number of interest periods in a year. So I effective interest effective is equal to 1 plus I raised to I divided by M raised to M minus 1. This is the simple formula. Now we will see the one problem, like determine the effective interest rate for a nominal rate of 8% that is compounded. Now if there is a 8% interest, okay, simple interest only, but the interest calculation is whether daily, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually and annually. I'll tell you very simple. Again I have written the you can see I effective is equal to 1 plus I by M raised to M minus 1. If you calculate at 8% interest rate, na, so now let us take this first formula at 8% interest rate. So I 1 plus I, okay, I is 8% here means 0.08 divided by this M is the number of interest period. Now we are calculating daily. M means daily, 365 days are there in a year. So again raised to 365 minus 1. If you calculate this, the effective interest rate you will get as 0.0832, means it is 8.32%. Okay. Similarly, if it is now calculated for monthly, so in 1 year there are 12 months. So M is equal to 12 now, number of interest periods in a year. So the equation becomes 1 plus I, that is 0.08 divided by 12 whole raised to 12 minus 1. And if you calculate this, it becomes 0.0829, that is 8.29%. Similarly for quarterly, semi-annually, now you can see I have written here in the left side, daily if I calculate the interest rate on a daily basis, it becomes 8.32%. If I calculate the monthly interest rates, then it becomes 8.29. If I calculate quarterly, it becomes 8.24. If I calculate for 6 months semi-annually, that is 8.16. And if I calculate for annually, it becomes 8%. Now this is the solution. You can see it is solved. Now you can see that if you calculate for annually, it is 8%, semi-annually 8.16, quarterly 8.24, monthly 8.29 and daily 8.32. So it is always good if it is the interest is calculated for an annual from a borrower perspective. If we are a borrower, then it is better that we take loans on annual calculation basis, so that the interest rate is 8% only. But if I take that hand loans and all short-term loans on a daily basis, then it becomes the daily 8% only, but calculated daily it becomes 8.32%. Okay, so it is always better that you take the loan on if the interest is calculated annually or semi-annually, but not on monthly or daily basis. Okay, thank you.